Hi, I'm Samson O'Snap, and today we're going to be surviving in the wilderness of Glen Oak. In the wilderness, you don't need tripods or cell phones. The only thing you need is your fists and a fighting will. The first thing you gotta do when you're out in the wilderness is find shelter. There's shelter over there. In the wild, there's tons of broncos. All you gotta do is put some grass on it to protect you from the rain, and you have shelter for the night. Safe and warm all night. Day 2 in the wilderness, and I'm hungry. We gotta find food. I've been searching for food for hours. Oh, look at this. Wild rocks like to bury themselves. Here's a perfect example. Get this. You see this pile? This pile of mulch right here? Wild rocks bury themselves under the mulch. Watch. It's a wild rock. These are a great source of nutrients. You find them in the wild, you just bite the head off. I love rocks. Yeah, these berries, they're wild Gumanji berries. You can actually use them to catch wild people. Watch this. We're gonna take these over to the road, right over here. Wow. And place them right on the road. Ready? You set them down. And in about 10 seconds, you're gonna see a wild person come. Are you ready for this? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There he is! There, get him on camera! All right, day 2 is coming to a close, and it's getting cold out. I'm gonna have to head back to shelter and go there for the night. All right, let's go. Oh no! It looks like a wild person has stolen my shelter under the Bronco. Now we have to find somewhere else to go, or I'm gonna have to sleep in the cold at night. It's getting late, so I need to find shelter fast. In the wild, people like to leave the trunks open, so we're gonna check a few trunks and see if we can find one. Nope, let's keep going, come on. Nope. Nope, we're gonna find one. It's very likely that a lot of cars. We got one. This is where we're gonna sleep for tonight. It's very warm, and none of the animals will get you in here. It's very safe too. Oh yeah. Start of day 3 in the wilderness. Starting to feel lonely. I wonder what adventures I will come across today. Come on. Alright, today is adventure, right? We've been looking for an animal for a long time. Oh. Something. Do you guys hear that? I said, do you guys hear that? Look. Look, Crispy Bacon, it's a wild... Oh, he's coming! He's coming! Crispy Bacon, run! Run, Crispy Bacon, the fiddlestick is coming! He's coming! He's coming!
Listen! I don't have any cheddar!
Get off of me! Run, Crispy Bacon! The fiddlestick is coming! He's coming! He's coming!